have a 2015 Ford Transit Connnect. I'm replacing the compressor. So right now, to take the compressor out, I'm gonna press the belt out using this tool right here. The remove is to remove the belt, and the install is to install the belt. Now I'm gonna place it like this, right where the belt is. So that way you can. Now I'm gonna rotate the engine, and you can see it's gonna stretch the belt out. And just like that, the belt is out. And for the compressor, I believe there's 3 bolts holding it. 1, 2, and 3. And the 2 AC line, I believe, is a 12mm nut or a 10mm. There's one right here. It's kind of hard to see. There's one right here and one right here. I already used the machine to recover the AC already. For the 2 line, there's gonna be 2 13mm nut that's holding onto the line. For the line, this one, you can see that this one is a washer gasket right here. This is a washer O-ring, whatever you call it. Now for this one, you can see the little O-ring right here, and also the washer right here. So replace them with a new one. So I'm testing the compressor right now to see if it works. I'm gonna put power in to see if the clutch is jumping. If it jumps, then it's good. You can see that it's jumping. Here's my old one I took out. Here's another used one I got. Just match them up. Everything looked the same. Put the new one in. Before I put the 2 line in, I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in both holes. The AC compressor oil. Also check the line too. Make sure there's no crack or any damage. So I got the compressor on. Mounted all the bolt back. Make sure you plug your connector back right here. 2 lines are good. Put the compressor side on first. Put this on the install position. So I'm gonna leave it here. Make sure the belt goes behind the little curve right here. So that way it can stretch the belt. Make sure it's tight. Now I'm going to rotate the engine, and this should pop back in. There you go. The belt is good. Perfect. We good. So to recharge this, it's going to be at 1.50 pounds. Let me show you the, I believe the low side is right here, where the cap is. And the high side should be under this cover right here. I should lift it up, right there. So I got it hooked up on the AC line, 1.5 pound, and charging on both sides. And just waiting. If you don't have power to the compressor, or the compressor doesn't work, check this fuse right here. It's 15 amps right here. And check the relay. This is the compressor relay. The AC system is fully charged at 1.5 pounds, so that's the right amount. So I already charged the system. See that the AC works really good. Max, low, AC on. And we are good. It's cold. You're good, guys. So if you like my video, leave it a thumbs up, comment down below, ask me anything you want to ask me, like, share, subscribe, guys. Thank you.